Now we will learn how to import any 3D object or any 3D asset inside the Unreal Engine 5. So over here, I have this .obj 3D object. One thing to notice is in Unreal Engine, only OBJ and FBX format can be imported. But with the help of few plugins, we can actually import many kinds of 3D object inside the Unreal Engine. So let us access the content drawer. Here I will create a new folder called as models, and we can just press this import button. And here I can select my 3D object. And next we'll be having this little window where we can select some of the transformations or the rotation for this 3D object. But for now, I will just keep it to the default and just press import all. So now we have our 3D object imported. Because it was with the texture, it already created the material for it. Right now it is not saved. We can just press Ctrl Shift and S and it will save all the assets inside our project. And to get this model inside our viewport, we can just drag and drop inside this viewport. We can actually perform each and every operation that we did on those basic shapes to this structure over here. Not even that, we can perform all those operations to each and every 3D object inside this level. So I can make use of the cutting tool and just like this, we can create the cutouts. Also, I can perform operations such as subdivision and merging, trimming, all those that we have seen until now, we can perform on this object. Let us create a stand for this statue. So for this, we can make use of the cylinder. So I can set the radius of the cylinder, suppose 150, and set this here. I will reduce the radius to 100, set it over here, then radius to 50, and let's set this to, press complete. Then I can select all three of these stands and I can actually merge these inside the mesh operations by selecting merge and then press accept. Now we have a single object. Next, we can make use of the subdivision tool to smoothen this surface. So something like this. Now we have this smooth looking surface. Then we can just bring this statue at the top of this stand. Something like this. And also we can search the material of this statue and just select this stand over here and apply that same material on this stand.